Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are first time watching my channel, remember to click the subscribe button and also the notification bell beside the subscribe button so that each time I upload a new video, you guys will be notified. And remember to give me a thumbs up of my video so that it give me more motivation to share with you of all my future unboxing. And remember to share my video to your friend whom you think that they are interested and keen in luxury unboxing, and where I share about what I got for my fashion and as well as luxury item. Okay, today as you guys can see, I got very special unboxing. Yeah, this is from Rolex. Yeah, okay, actually at first I was wondering should I share this unboxing, because normally I do not share on watches. I never done that before. So I'm thinking, okay, since this is such a special collection, which is very rare and very hard to get, and I should share with you guys of this unboxing video. Yeah, as you guys can see, this is the paper bag from Rolex. Yeah, it's just a very simple dark green, their iconic color, dark green. And there's a Rolex here, the gold embossed logo at the back of their bag below, so it's not so obvious. So when you bought, so maybe people will not notice unless they look very clearly, then you'll know it's Rolex. So maybe I show you nearer first. So this is how the paper bag look like. The embossed Rolex here on both sides, very small, the logo, and on the inside, actually there is also Rolex here on the paper bag. Yeah, here on the side, both sides, and inside is in gold in color. Okay, so let me share with you. So I'm very excited about this. If you guys are a watch collector or you guys know about Rolex, then you will know that this watch is very difficult to get. Yeah, and I heard a lot of different things. I'm not too sure. Yeah, but anyway, I don't want to waste my time to share with you. So anyway, I got the watch. So because there are some people who say that you have to purchase a lot of other watch like Datejust from Rolex, which is not so popular. In order you spend a lot, then they will offer you this watch. Okay, so basically they given me, this is like the Rolex catalog. Yeah, so basically they give me this catalog. Okay, so it come with it. Okay, and also actually there's also a receipt, and also they given me this, like I would say maybe when you are traveling, you need to carry your watch, you do not want to bring the box, they give you a holder. Yeah, a so-called like a travel compact holder to store your watch, and also a cleaning cloth to clean your watch. Yeah, you can wipe it after you wearing or before wearing. Yeah, usually I also do that. Yeah, so they give you this. Okay, yeah, so without further ado, let's start with today's unboxing. Okay, are you guys excited? Okay, so basically this is how it come about with a box. So this is how the box look like. Actually it's yellow, I mean it's very light yellow. Yeah, then and also the Rolex on the box, they emboss it, but you can't see because it's just embossed here. So I hope you guys can see it nearer. Yeah, so this is how it look like. Okay, so we shall share with you the unboxing. Okay, so basically this is how the box look like. So yep, and you can see it's very classic. It's the green color, as same as the paper bag. So the green color, and there's also a Rolex here on the box itself. Okay, so let me share with you guys. This is how the watch look like. This is the Rolex, yeah, Pepsi. So it's very famous and very popular. I think it's it's very difficult. Of course, you come across one, you should just get it, because it's almost like very difficult to get this watch in all parts of the world. Yeah. So basically, let me show you how it looks like. So the box is look like this. It's also beige color here, velvet, yeah, and also it come with the warranty, and also the, I would say, this is the Rolex guarantee card worldwide. Shall cover it because I think it's very particular. So this is the international guarantee card. Yeah, this is how it look like. Okay, so basically the serial number, everything is here. So I shall, because due to privacy, I should not show you guys the model and the serial number. Yeah, so basically this is how it come about in the box. Okay, so maybe more as exciting is to show you the watch. Okay, so basically it also come with this tag, or this tag, yeah, the Rolex tag is come together with it. Okay, and also the so-called like the tag here. Okay, so it's come with the oyster tag, yeah. Okay, so now let me show you guys nearer, because I'm not wearing it. Anyway, I just show it to you. This is a very nice piece, yeah. So I'm not sure you guys can see. This is using the Jubilee bracelet, and also because this GMT Master Pepsi is so popular because of the famous story of the I think one of the airline where they asked Rolex to design a watch suitable to see the country, and also to the country the timing using their so-called extra piece of hand in the watch. So there's also 3 hands. So basically just show you guys, come with a black surface. Yeah, so this is how it look like. So yes, yeah, maybe I show you nearer because I don't really do unboxing explanation on luxury watch. So I just want to share with you that I got this special piece to share you guys the enjoyment, as if you guys never seen before this Rolex Pepsi. Yep. So this is how the watch look like. Yep. So basically is, I think the face size is 42. So yeah, so on top is ceramic with the below. So I heard before that they say that this is very difficult to do the bezel because it's using ceramic 2 color combined together. So this why I know that it's very difficult in doing it. So black surface and glow in the dark, yeah. And also this is the so-called to adjust the time and the date. Yep. And this is the bracelet is Jubilee bracelet, and this is stainless steel. Yeah, this is how the back look like. So there's a Rolex here. Yep. So basically it's very simple watch, just like this. Yeah, and very beautiful collectible. And I heard that this watch has already gone up to double the price when you purchase it. So basically this watch is like you walking out the shop, you will be like walk with so-called profit already. So if you come across the watch, just go ahead to get it, or else you guys can check out with your dealer that how you're able to get and secure this watch. Thank you very much for sharing with you guys about this my special piece. I got it. Yeah, and hope to see you guys again in my next video. And remember to give me a thumbs up on this video if you like my content. And thank you very much. Goodbye. See you guys in the next video.